How to set up direct deposit on Chime. Since Chime is not available in my country, here's what I am about to do right now is I'm going to explain on how to direct deposit on Chime. Setting up Chime direct deposit is easy. You can do it in the app or hand in a form to your payroll provider. To set up direct deposit, you will need your routing number and account number handy. You could find this info in the Chime app under Move Money and then set up direct deposit. You will see your account number and routing number, while you can set up direct deposit with your employer by copying your account and routing number. It might be easier to hand in a completed direct deposit authorization form or even find your employer in the Chime app. The benefits of direct deposit with Chime is once your direct deposit is set up and approved by your employer, you can expect to receive your first Chime deposit within your next 2 payment cycles. On top of that, you will unlock all kinds of new features as a Chime member. And being a Chime member, these 3 benefits might be best for you as a member. Starting from number 1 is no hidden fees. Enjoy banking without monthly, overdraft, or foreign transaction fees. Number 2 is early paychecks, being able to access your direct deposits up to 2 days early. And last but not the least, number 3 is easy savings. It automatically saves with roundups and scheduled transfers. That's how you set up direct deposit on Chime app. I hope this been helpful to you in some ways, but that's it for me. Thank you.